Hello guys, my name is Siddharth Varde and this is Mat1 Assignment 7 of C++. Okay, so first question is what is a pointer and explain new and delete operators. Okay, so what is a pointer? So pointer is just a variable that holds the memory address of another variable. So when I say edit the pointer variable that like it is pointing towards another variable, so it will edit the actual variable that it is pointing towards. So like that is the pointer. So yes, let me show you the example of a pointer. So this is the pointer. So first I define integer pointer p, and then I define an x variable, and here where I say okay, p's value would be the memory address of x variable, and then I say okay, print out p, and print uh, print the value of p. So here is the two thing. So is the value of x, and this is the memory address of x. This is the memory address of x. So like this is and this is the example of pointer. Okay, now what are new keyword and what is delete keyword? Okay, so new keyword is used to allocate the memory dynamically on runtime. So let's say when I run this program, so like it will execute this program line by line. So when it reaches this line, it will allocate the memory on the runtime. And when I say delete, it will deallocate that same that memory, like whichever memory I specify, and I allocated, that memory gets deallocated uh, by its while I reach why I when I reach this line. So if I play right now, okay, so here if you can see, after printing the memory address of p, like memory address of x, that is the value of p, uh, I create a new player and then I delete it. So player is created and player is deleted. This is called by the constructor and destructor of a player class. So it is the proof that the memory was allocated for a object of player class, and then that same memory was reallocated for the object of player class. uh, and let's see, the third question is what is a pass by value and what is a pass by reference. Okay, so pass by value uh, is a type of parameter where I would provide a value. Let me show you the example here. This is the pass by value where I would pass just a value. So when I call this a, and it would take the value of a. So like this function a. So there is a local variable a inside it. So it copies that the value while like assigning it to another object, it copies the value and assign it to another value. So if I print out b here, b would be 10, uh, sorry, b would be same as the value of a. But if I okay, when I if I try to modify the value, it won't affect the value of a, that is here, this variable. It will not affect the value of this variable. So if I print after this, it will remain the same. But if I pass by reference, so what happens when I pass by reference? I as a parameter I say okay, this is the reference of that variable, like variable a. So if I try to edit the variable locally, it would affect the real variable that I passed. So let me show you the output here. So here I pass by a reference, and after that when I try to print out the value of a, it says here are the two outputs. Okay, so the As you can see, the first C out and then the second C out, A is 50 and A is 20. Okay, okay, this is it.